And if you are in this category, like the technical personality, you will be knowing a lot of things about yourself which you might not know. And what are the things you will be needing to improve upon? What are your drawbacks? What are the weaknesses of this personality? Let's read. The technical personality. If I am of a technical personality, I need to have new ideas and approaches. No, the technical personality, the person who has a dream, a vision, he is very technical about it. He is not very technical about it. But a person who is technical, he works in a framework. So what they need, that they need to have new ideas and approaches. न्यू आइडियाज चाहिए, न्यू अप्रोचेस चाहिए. एक फ्रेमवर्क में काम करते हैं वो लोग. जैसे कोई, जैसे गाना गाने के लिए कोई किसी को कह देता है, आई गिव यू एग्जांपल. जैसे किसी कोई रिकॉर्डेड गाना आप गा रहे हैं, तो टेक्निकल पर्सनालिटी वाले एक ही तरह से, मतलब कि दे विल कॉपी टू द टी. कहीं कुछ हेर फेर नहीं, टेक्निकली बिल्कुल सेम रहेगा उनका. ये सुना, ये उतार दिया, कट कॉपी पेस्ट. दे विल नॉट पुट एनी वेरिएशंस इन सिंगिंग. कोई एडलिब्स नहीं होगा, थोड़ा अपने से सुर लगा लिया, वो नहीं. वो जो है सो है, जैसा गाया गया है, फॉरवर्डेड एज रिसीव्ड. दे आर दिस काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. अपने मन से कुछ नहीं लगाना है उसमें. सो व्हाट they need to have new ideas and approaches. And environment to design or do development without system hindrance. So these type of people, they want an environment, and they do not want, they need to have an environment. Because creative thinking हम कब करेंगे? जब हमारे पास environment हमारे पास होगा तब, to design or develop without any hindrance. So they need an environment where there will be no disturbance. They need time alone to reflect on a problem or idea. They need to be alone. They need time alone to reflect on a problem or idea. So the three drawbacks that you hear, that you see over technical personality. Number one, they need to have new approaches. It means they do not have new ideas and they do not have new approaches. They need environment to design or develop without system. They do not look for an environment for further investigation or for further design or develop. They need time alone to reflect on a problem or idea. It means they are never alone. They need to have time alone. They need to have time alone to solve a problem, time alone to reflect on a particular problem or idea. Now, what they are doing and they are unaware of. So, I'm unaware of the fact that I may be embarrassed by praise. That they may be embarrassed if somebody praises them. उनकी तारीफ कोई करता है तो उनको पता नहीं चलता है that they may be embarrassed by praise. They are unaware that they get embarrassed when somebody praises them. They do not know that They offer solutions to problems others don't even know they have. Repeating it. That I offer solutions to problems others don't know they have. It means this person gets embarrassed when somebody praises them, offers solutions to people, offers solutions to problems others don't know they have. Others को पता नहीं चलता है, but he gives they are unaware of the problem that he's offering. That I have little patience with people who don't deal in abstract thinking. It means he does not have patience with people who are not into abstract thinking. Can anybody tell me this? What is abstract thinking? What is the meaning of abstract? What is the meaning of abstract? Something which does not have a form. It is symbolical. For example, abstract painting. Right?
संक्षेप.
हाँ. In Hindi, it is saying सामान्य सोच. So that I have little patience with people who don't deal in abstract thinking. Something which is common. So the word abstract itself says that anything which does not have a form, it is symbolical. That since I dislike repetition, I may be seen as terse or non-communicative. Persons of this technical personality, they do not like repetitions, and they may be mistaken as terse or non-communicative. They might be misunderstood that they are non-communicative. Terse means a person of few words, कम बोलना, बहुत कम बोलना. So people misunderstand them that because he does not like repeating, he may be seen as terse, a person who speaks very little, or he is non-communicative. That I may be seen as critical and cold, and people might misunderstand him for being critical, judgmental, critical and cold. It means the person can be. Some people are warm. You can talk to people who have warmth, but then people who are critical and cold, I don't know, who are non-communicative, you will have problems communicating. Now here comes where the students are going to be benefiting for this. Areas I need to improve. This also is in your interview question. What are the areas you need to improve? In all these 4 personality types, there are areas where you think you need to improve or find a supporting cast to help. Number one thing, if I ask you what is your drawback, so what skills do you need to work on? You can directly say that I need to be more communicative. I need to be open. I need to increase my ability to show praise to others, to show affection, to show warmth to others. Because I am a person of few words, I do not talk much. I am mistaken to be terse. So what I need to improve on, the areas which I need to improve on, number one, I need to increase my ability to show praise to others. I need to improve upon my need to recognize people's feelings and human elements. In a nutshell, I need to improve my interpersonal communication skills. The new line here is I need to recognize people's feelings. Sometimes we fail to recognize, sometimes we fail to understand. It's not that we are trying to be mean, but it just happens that we miss out on a lot of things. So, this you have to work on. You need to recognize people's feelings. It means the human part, the human elements. And areas that you need to improve on is another point is I need a team of people with a concrete and practical orientation. A team of people with a concrete, solid, and practical orientation. It means people who are through and through in their work. They're very practical in their orientation and concrete. Like no stories, no ifs and buts. So to keep me in touch with the here and now, it means the person wants to be involved because he is not involved in people. So he wants a set of people, a group of people who will keep him tied down, who would keep him in touch with the here and now. He would like to be involved with the happenings. That is why you need to have a group. The person needs to have a team of people who would help me keep in touch with the here and now. With the term here and now means with whatever is happening. I may become so absorbed in learning that I don't take action, that I don't take action like many people are. They're so much involved in the learning that they do not take, that they do not know what is happening. So much absorbed in themselves, so much lost in themselves. अपने में इतना खोए रहते हैं ये लोग, एक्शन मिस आउट करते हैं. And they need to recognize the importance of logistics, which these are the areas which a person has to improve upon. So the next, coming down to the drawbacks, we have already done all these things, all the 4 personalities. Now we come to the next. Today I'll be sharing this with you. Today I'm going to finish with it. So STA. What is the A personality? The amiable. The A personality. So what they need? They need problems to solve, a crisis to handle. They need problems to solve and crisis to handle. It means they are not given any problems to solve and crisis to handle. Recognition for a job well done. It means they want recognition. They want praise. That yes, you've done the job well. They want freedom to do it your way. If you've given me a job, give me the freedom to do it my way. You don't understand this. What do you mean by problem to solve a crisis? They need a problem to solve a crisis. Anyone? Work opportunities. It simply means work opportunities. And they need freedom to do it their way. So let me come to the what they need. They need a leader who has earned the right to lead by proven track record. It means they want proper guidance. A leader who has earned the right to lead by a proven track record. They need to be shown the objective and given the flexibility to do it their way. If they are, if some work is delegated to them, they need to be given the direction of how it is to be done, the objective and given the flexibility to do it their way. Okay, this work you have to do it, and if given the space, they would like to do it their way. A system to meet deadlines and finish projects. And they need a system to meet deadlines and finish projects. Sometimes they are unaware. What are they unaware of? Their weaknesses. That they avoid making plans and commitments. They are unaware that they are avoiding to make plans and commitments. They are avoiding it, but they are unaware. That I get so absorbed in specific activity and forget the long range objective. It means thinking about the present rather than thinking about the future. That in my need for excitement, I may not see the dangers. They are unaware of it. That work on short-term goals and forget the long terms. That they are so enthusiastic, so vibrant about something, so it's their need for excitement. They may not see the risks or the dangers. They are unaware that if they don't have a crisis, they may create one. And they are unaware that once in a while, sometimes in a blue moon, they need to stop. They are all the time on the go, on the run, all the time. So they are unaware that there will be a time, there has to be a time when he has to stop, reflect, plan, get organized. Areas that needs to be improved on. This is the most important thing of the person, and the top, which is the top drawback of this personality type. The drawback is to resolve conflict in a collaborative way. Second is equally important. Make and keep commitments. Make and keep commitments. Third is look beyond the quick fix. It means you cannot always work on smart goals. Smart work. Smart work works sometimes, but not all the time. But all the time, if you are aiming at smart work, you will miss out on a lot of things. So you need to, the major drawback, you need to look beyond this smart work. I need to work on hard work also. Because if you have not worked hard, you cannot go smart work. Take time to listen to others' points of view. अपनी ही बात सोचते हैं, अपनी ही बात समझते हैं. कभी दूसरे की भी सोच लेनी चाहिए. Biggest drawbacks. So they need time to listen to others' points of view, and recognize the importance of concepts and ideas. Now we come to the last part. This already we have done the last bit. The R, the relationship. What I need. Appreciation, not criticism. If you have to give the feedback, they need appreciation and not criticism. Because they are very much into relationship. They are the people who are the people person. So they need to be appreciated, not criticized. They need to be creative and still be with people. If you are the amiable type, the friendly type, the partner type, okay, fine. You can spend your time with people, group harmony and everything, but you can still be creative. A higher purpose than day-to-day work means they are always in the day-to-day work. What is happening here? What is happening there? What is happening in this group? What is happening with this person or that person? So they need to think about higher purpose than day-to-day work. Day-to-day work तो होता ही रहता है, उसके आगे भी सोचने की जरूरत है. what are they unaware of? They are doing something which they do not know. They are unaware of negative, trying to find the good in even bad situation. So I may be shocked by reality. People who are in a group harmony, when they are so much into group harmony, that sometimes the reality shocks them. ग्रुप में कहीं कोई एक अगर मन के लायक नहीं होता है, अगर somebody is the defaulter, they get the reality shock. So they are unaware of the negative happenings in the group, are trying to find the good in even bad situations. So they are the person who will never think anything has gone bad. They will always be trying to find the good in every bad situation. I remember my father once told me, always find the best in worst situations. So I may get shocked by reality. They are unaware of it. They are unaware that they personalize conflicts. If somebody is fighting, there's a conflict, they will feel it's because of that. They personalize everything. Like because they are group people, they feel they'll take the blame on themselves. They are unaware that when learning, it's easy for them to see the big picture. They are always into the big picture, the group harmony. The working in a team is a dream. They are unaware of that. When learning, it is easy for them to see the big picture. And they miss details. They see the big picture and they miss the implications and they miss the details. Details always bore them because they want to do things fast. They are unaware that they are onto people so much, they may neglect the goal. They are so much a group people, a people person that they neglect the goal. So all this is happening, but they are unaware of it. So when you're talking about your drawbacks, you can include these lines that I'm so much into in people that I neglect sometimes. Always put the word sometimes. I may be unaware that I may prefer fantasy to reality and dreams to action. They are not aware of it, that they prefer fantasy. They are very far from reality. They think about dreams more than actions. Areas to improve, which already has been dealt. I'll read it again. So what are these things? A person who is into the R type, the relationship. I need to be more assertive in conflict. It means a person who can please all will please none. जो सबको खुश करके चल सकता है वो किसी को भी खुश नहीं कर सकता. So he needs to be area that he needs to improve on. He has to be assertive. He has to come out and tell this is right and this is wrong. लेकिन वो करेगा नहीं, उसकी पर्सनालिटी नहीं है, उसके ट्रेड में नहीं, वो नहीं करेगा. वो बीच के रास्ता बना के चलेगा. इसीलिए कहा जा रहा है areas that he needs to improve, he has to be assertive. Black को black, call a spade a spade. Black को black कहिए, white को white कहिए. You cannot be diplomatic all the time. because you are in a group, you're a group person, so you want everybody in the group to be happy, so you do not want to blame anyone, but he needs to. The people who are in this kind of a, they are very quiet. आपकी क्लास में भी होता है, कभी कुछ हुआ तो आपको ही कुछ बोलता नहीं. You're so much into groupism in your class. If something goes wrong, you will all keep quiet because you do not want to hurt anybody. Right? It happens. People who are in this category, they ignore conflicts as long as possible. झगड़ा हो रहा है, conflict हो रहा है, इसको ignore करते हैं. ग्रुप में रह करके जान रहे सब कुछ. They are aware of what is happening, but they ignore as long as possible. जितना खींच सकते हैं उसको ignore करते हैं वो लोग. With a mind that okay, ठीक हो जाएगा, things will resolve on its own. They must not get emotionally caught up in the problem or failures of everyone. इनके साथ होता है क्या, वो हर किसी के प्रॉब्लम है. अगर if there are 4 persons in a group, वो सबके प्रॉब्लम में इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं. They are caught up in their problems. They are involved in their problems or failures of everyone. That they must encourage others to take responsibility, which he does not. वो सारे responsibility खुद ले लेते हैं. So the need for them is to encourage others to take responsibility. And they must remember their own health and needs and not to spend all my time helping others. People who are in this category, they forget themselves. उनकी तबीयत खराब है, परेशान है, किसी का फोन आ गया, किसी ग्रुप में किसी का फोन आ गया, वो सब कुछ छोड़ करके वो चले जाते हैं. You cannot help them because इन लोग की पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट में वो बात है. They are born with this personality trait. But it is not that they're going to stay like this all their life. That is why this lesson on personality I gave you, because there are things, even in your case, a lot of people raise their hands, they are in the partner type or the group harmony or the amiable type or relationship type. So you must keep time for yourself also. So they must remember their own health and their own needs and not spend all their life helping others. So this is done today. I've concluded. You take care of the things which you improve upon. Take down some words on vocabulary which you may need to describe or elaborate in your interview. Like what are your weaknesses? Everything is there. Your weakness, your strength, your plus points, your minus points, things you need to improve, things you are unaware of. So everything in a nutshell, it's all about, if I say something about yourself, this complete data will be helping you in your interview. So this is done today, and I'm going to send this in your WhatsApp. I've been telling you, but I'm not sent because I did not complete it. So once it is completed, now you will read it and choose your personality type and jot down your one feather in the cap for your interview skills. Like your personality trait is very important, and try to and make sure to identify with it and improve from whatever is given over there. And in the next class, I'll take your mark you. Maybe I'll ask some general questions, not on personality, but I'll ask you some general questions so that to check your communication skills, like I did in the last class, in the last mark you. So maybe today is Monday. On Wednesday, I'll take the mark you. Right?
Yes,